What's up, yellow?
The station when I just did so, and then if you check your time now, you go see say now just 8 minutes remain. Make 10 o'clock stand the bonquem inside the studio, and of course yes, today matter we get other etc. people then, and then as soon as know now we dedicate this time for people, and there are plenty wahala within the face. Today matter, I get landlord and in tenant them. We dey inside studio. We dey follow us here. The things them where they happen inside compound. I beg, this one no be boxing ring. Make una no start to fight here. Make una no start to fight here.
Sorry.
I get landlord inside studio, and the landlord come with yard people. Alright, so other landlord, wetin be the thing?
My name is Mazi.
Sorry.
We are under the boys secondary school.
Oga,
sorry.
Please, this is not market.
Sorry.
This is not market.
Sorry, I thought you.
This is not market. Like some people will say, this is not a nightclub. You have to be identified first before you can.
So we point this. You don't have to go like this. I don't know whether I mean the point I've been at him. No.
Can you shift your cap to the side so you can be seeing me?
Sorry, surprise.
Oga landlord.
Anyways, Nana say you be professional because you're not supposed to talk for any reason. Anyway, Nami, quiet now, sure. Nami be the honorable landlord of the yard. Because we dey on air now, I'm not going to letter the identity of the compound, this protection of my tenants. But by the way, the person who carry us come here, he's not going to feel mad they talk because now bring us come here. But now the way be so, I go want make Rufus, we start the matter.
Rufus, okay.
My name is Rufus.
Yeah.
Rufus.
Okay,
I am very surprised at this.
My name is Mazi.
You said that before.
I attended boys secondary school. All Makume in technical. When I was extrajudicially removed from the choir to that Esquire. I will not steal anybody money. 3 of my dogs die epidemic. One is Jimmy. The other one is Pia. The other one died in the village. And I died. Yes. The dog that my father gave me. His name is Guinea. The last dog. So when the 3 of them die epidemic, I travel by emergency. And this man, he catch me at the gate and they remove all my apparel.
Mazi, you are a liar.
Wetin be apparel? That umbrella now they call apparel.
Apparel, including my paraphernalia.
You are a liar.
3 of my dog die epidemic.
Where's our money for the bill?
Please just hold it there. So where is their money now?
Thank you very much for that question.
Tell her what the boy is saying. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. My name is Mazi.
No. I know your name. I know your name. Where is the money?
This same thing happened when I was removed from the choir.
So I was extrajudicially removed from the choir to that Esquire.
Now, the 3 dogs died. Pia, Jimmy,
And you said that before. So the son, where is the money?
Rufus, stand there. What kind of?
Rufus, wait. I'm living on this young.
See,
Ogayo.
Yes.
this was how it all happened.
Mazi, Rufus. Good morning. Thank you.
Very good.
The go village. 3 of my dog died the same time.
Oh, my condolences.
Epidemic happened.
Hey, but what? You're traveling, Mazi. It's very suspicious.
You want wood man?
It's very suspicious, Mazi. Mazi, you are carrying your umbrella, your very precious property.
Mazi, you collected money yesterday from the compound to pay Nepa bill.
To pay Nepa.
Yes, Nepa. Have you paid?
For the house?
For the yard. Have you paid?
Direct to Nepa.
Yes, to Nepa.
Collect money now, but my dog.
This is a hard fact to swallow.
Yes, this.
Mazi, when do you intend coming back from your travel?
You are traveling today. When do you want to come back?
Now on this go come back tomorrow morning to pay Nepa.
Mazi, drop the Nepa bill. Mazi, drop the Nepa bill. Mazi, have you paid or not?
Or not.
Mazi, have you paid or not?
Or not.
You want to travel?
Come down.
Mazi, from the first day you came to this yard with your umbrella.
No come me now.
Okay, well, hey!
Come me. Not shouting now. People they sleep.
Where's the Nepa bill? Where is the Nepa bill?
Nepa bill.
Yes, please. down now. Come. Rufus, come. Rufus.
I don't like criminal behavior.
But I told you now, you cannot be continuing like this. You are a matured man. See, now dog died, 3 of them.
Where is our Nepa bill?
See, 3 dogs
You
died.
don't even use light. I don't know why they are giving you money to pay bill.
Rufus, 3 dogs die epidemic.
My condolence to them and to you.
Yes, so make I go make sure you are so resting.
Mazi, I will raise an alarm.
Mazi, give us the money.
Rufus, where?
Mazi, hey, Mazi, I will call the compound people. And you know them.
Neighbors! Mazi, where's the money? Mazi, where's the money?
Rufus.
You must give us the money.
Rufus,
Neighbors! Yes, Itoro. Thank God you're here. My neighbor, I saw Mazi. Listen, I saw Mazi. Don't bribe me. I am not a politician. I saw Mazi leaving the house. And guess what? Mazi collected our Nepa money yesterday. And we all know that whenever Mazi carries his umbrella, he's traveling. Mazi is traveling with our... Mazi, where's our money? Mazi, where's our money?
This is a case of mistaken identity.
Mazi,
wait,
Mazi,
see, let me tell you.
Mazi,
See, this thing is...
Mazi,
Wait,
Mazi,
see, let me tell you.
I carry this one go.
very suspicious criminal. You are a suspect. Mazi, you are a suspect. Mazi, you are a criminal.
Rufus, you can call me Amroba. Don't call me criminal.
That's what you want.
Don't call me criminal in your life.
Mazi,
Don't call me criminal.
look at you. You don't even have a process. Mazi, don't hold me. Mazi, don't hold me.
Rufus.
Mazi.
Carry umbrella. Can I tell you when I epidemic, pandemic, or some memorials or anything what you like? Now this thing they carry our backyard. And they tell you our backyard 9 years ago. Also be a pandemic first and tomorrow. But that's wrong. This so what is your work is it that way? They carry umbrella. They go through pandemic, epidemic, Sunday memorials. I'm a liquid
All right, we don't come back. I don't hear the things will happen. And then as it take happen, so it is so obvious. Say, Mazi, you agree, you don't agree. You say you don't say by yourself.
But Ayota truth today inside, but you don't plenty. Ayota, you man have Ayota. But my name is Ayota truth no dey inside.
See, I don't hear your name.
Ayota,
I don't hear your name.
but for man now they teach me Ayota. Ayota is open.
It's good. But I'm going to open phone line so that people will contribute. Please, landlord. Abeg, if una dey contribute money to pack soccer way, Mazi dey follow contribute.
You know they contribute 1 naira.
I need to go latrine. Very regularly.
It dey go 7 times a day.
I need to go latrine. See, my wife can bear me weakness.
Martin, your wife that feeds you on the farm and
Okay, thank you. Thank you. It's okay.
If I go latrine, it's okay.
You can't swear on radio.
My name is Mazi to Baligo. Okay. I was extra judicially removed from the choir.
Hold on. So we go open phone line now. I beg Lagos people, I don't hear the
Ayota of truth.
I don't hear that one. It's make Lagos people, when I don't hear them. I beg no wait, make I just stop. So that make una follow contribute for this matter where they on topic now. I don't hear them. I don't sound by yourself. And then another stuff. Una know our phone line. Make una just quickly they call. Our WhatsApp today open for una to feel send us all the etc messages when I go send. Now make una begin call.
Forgive and forget.
Forgive and forget.